amazing TikTok videos on cold coffees
Here's how to make that famous whipped coffee at home.
and wondered if they really work.
Yeah, I've seen those. They look really good.
Today, we're gonna be trying these TikTok viral cold coffees.
You know, if those TikTok recipes work, you can make really yummy looking cold coffees for under $1 and fast. You think it's gonna work? Yep, they do work. The only regret I would have is not having done this sooner.
Our first recipe looks amazing,
The one problem that I saw with it is that there were absolutely no measurements. So,
but we're gonna eyeball everything.
start with instant coffee. And what's that?
Some heavy whipping cream, guys, if you're not familiar with it.
And then it says here that we need to use 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
But I don't know if
coffee.
we could make whipped coffee with 1 teaspoon. Let's try.
Now we mix it up. And
Okay.
tell me when it's
It's gotta be
done.
nice and fluffy.
12 seconds later.
It's not really looking dark enough. What do you think?
Not like in dark.
Let's go ahead and add 1 more half teaspoon. If anything, we're gonna have a super big caffeine fix.
Look how fluffy this is. Look how fluffy.
And now this is almost like a s'mores type of coffee.
Come on, there's more theme going on here.
Right, so since it is s'mores,
Right over here, and time to
now-
smash
oh
some
my
of
goodness.
these.
It almost looks like at the end, if we do it
It's
right,
like edible sand.
it's like a margarita but out of s'mores. Can you imagine s'mores and coffee, like a coffee s'mores? I'm excited to see how this actually works out at the end. What's that? Are you eating the ingredients?
Nope.
She always eats the ingredients.
You're making a mess over here on the counter.
Well, I'm making a mess and while you're eating, wet the cup with like a little bit
This
of...
would be so cute. This reminds me of some Cinnamon Toast Crunch or Rice Krispies.
Okay, so we're gonna kind of put some milk. I put some milk in a bowl.
Those are yours to talk.
Now, what we need to, they didn't give any instructions. Like in TikTok, you almost see the finished product. So let's dip the cup,
We're gonna dip it. How are we gonna dip it?
flip it like this, and just we're gonna wet the rim a little bit. Wet
I'm
the
scared.
rim like this. Okay. We wanna try to get maybe like a thick coat.
Glass will break.
Yeah, glass will break, but I think we got
Okay.
that. Okay, so we got a
It
nice
looks so
wet,
cute, guys.
wet cup.
Look at that rim.
Okay, now,
How are we gonna do it? We're gonna dip it over here?
yeah, we're gonna dip it over here.
How do we do it?
Try to get, we're gonna dip it over
I
here.
need to work on something. You need to work on something.
Yeah, see, now we're gonna kind of dip it and see if we can get like a
I enjoy
crunchy type feel.
I enjoy doing this, guys.
Yeah,
This looks like a little like snow globe facing down. Put it up.
okay.
Look how pretty this
Ooh,
looks.
we got like a s'mores rim going on here. What's the next step, Sophia?
Ice.
Okay,
That'd be
so-
nice. Now we're gonna add our fluff for the top.
Which is really the instant coffee, guys. Part of the garnish on this coffee
It's gonna
recipe,
be just be a ground cracker and a marshmallow burned.
toasted, just like they.
Let's see,
okay,
not a
hold on.
rim.
Hold it at the very tip, okay? We're making it nice and brown, or worst case, black.
Oh yeah, looking so pretty and brown.
What if we melt it on?
No, that's
Cup.
she's insane.
Good luck taking it off later, but maybe. Fire in the hole! Go, let it go.
It's gonna fall.
Is it gonna sit? Is it gonna fall? We got it. This
It's
is
time to try.
her favorite. It's pretty good because the coffee is a bit strong, but when you blend it with the milk, win. I think it's a win.
I think we're a chicken dinner.
This next recipe,
Caramel, guys, my favorite.
it's a caramel.
My macchiato.
So we
that
got
you
the
had.
fluff, caramel sauce, syrup, and all sorts of other stuff.
Yes, ice first. Now we pour the caramel macchiato. Now we're gonna froth the whipped cream. In the video, she adds in simple syrup. Frothing.
I think this is frothing up pretty good.
Perfect. I'm gonna add in our frothed milk
Yes.
to our coffee. I ready, Mom?
I'm ready.
How pretty that looks. Look at that.
Look how it's blending.
Part.
We're topping it with.
Caramel, my favorite sauce. My hands are getting sticky.
Okay, this coffee smelled sweet. Plus the simple syrup, then on top of that, adding caramel. Oh my gosh. I think we spilled it a little.
Make it a mess here, guys.
Oh my god.
I
good.
love caramel, guys.
This is so good. It is sweet and it's got a different taste. Definitely a lot sweeter than the last coffee.
This is good.
This is a good coffee. What do you give it?
2 thumbs up and a kick.
2 thumbs up and a kick? I give this one a thumbs up too.
This is one thing I love about me. I love caramel very much. Next one is a fancy one, guys. So get excited. This is my favorite.
Fancy cup. They serve it in a fancy
They serve it in a wine glass, you guys.
The first thing they do is they take 2. This one actually had measurements, which was a win, right?
This got lots of measurements. So this is
Yeah.
a good recipe to follow.
Yeah, so the
and I
first-
recommend this for everybody who loves fancy stuff.
Okay, so the first thing was
The water.
2
2
tablespoons.
tablespoons.
Now some instant coffee.
Instant coffee.
Another 2 tablespoons.
I
And
love this effect here.
then we mix it up.
Look at this, you guys. Look at this.
Look at that.
So pretty.
It looks almost like espresso. It's looking thick. Oh, okay, so once we've blended that, everything's gonna go in a blender. So the sugar, 2 tablespoons, followed by the
Coffee. That smells like morning.
smells like good morning. Okay. It may not
This
be
is what I
morning.
drink before school.
This one out of all of them.
This one and the caramel.
Okay, and then we've
The
got milk, 2 cups. So far milk, sugar, coffee.
Look at the effect in here,
Oh
guys.
boy. Go.
Now 2 tablespoons of heavy cream.
Heavy cream going in.
Guide me, Mom, guide
Be
me.
careful, be careful. Don't spill it. That is so full. Ooh. Okay. Next comes our
Listen.
ice.
This is going next.
Ice.
We mix it, you guys.
Time to blend.
Blend it up.
Okay, in this way, this way.
I get nervous about this part.
Okay, wait. I don't think it's sitting on the counter right. Wait.
I had this affected.
It's locked, loaded.
Here we go.
Here we go. Blend away, baby. Blend away. So we had to empty a little bit because it was overflowing, and then the secret ingredients still has to go in.
Are you ready, guys? My favorite, coffee ice cream.
Coffee
Give
ice
it a
cream.
smell.
I don't smell anything.
This is my favorite ice cream.
No, I smell it. I smell it a little bit, but it's still frozen. That I don't know. Does ice cream smell?
Something happened to me. Got in my nose.
What are you doing sticking your nose in there? Okay, so 1 and
This reminds me of my first video of the One Division.
2 scoops. 2 scoops of ice cream. Okay, so now it's time to
Then mix it up again.
mix it up one more time.
She's roasting me.
I think this is it. I think it's
Looking good, guys. Look at this. Looking good.
okay. So next step goes in the
I need
cup.
help.
You need a little bit of muscle.
We're reinforcement over here.
Okay, here you go. Let's get this blender.
Oh,
Let's get this blender
let me
out
give
of
you
the
the
way.
lid. Wait. Let me give you the lid.
Okay, lid. And let's get that out of
I
the
feel like
center.
you're like a little tape mark for this. What do you think?
The pretty part of the cup. Go ahead, let's see. Okay, it's going
Look
in.
at this, guys. It looks
Going
so
in.
pretty.
Going
This
in,
is
going in,
it looks
going
like
in.
coffee in a
Going
mug.
in. Okay. Now, the next
That's the
step.
fun part, guys.
See?
Chocolate part.
Ooh. Okay.
It's sunk.
A little bit. A little bit.
No.
It's kind of sitting there. In their video, theirs sat pretty on the top. Ours just, it's
Went down the rabbit hole.
kind of there, but not so much.
That's everything, guys.
Hershey's
Caramel.
syrup.
I love
on top.
Hershey's.
Okay. So now,
I got them. I got 'em in my
they
hands,
made like
everybody.
these pretty circles.
I got this.
Pretty circles. Okay, ours did not come out like
I'm a fucking flop.
circles. Ours looks a little bit messier, but it still looks very pretty. I think this would make an amazing like after dinner
It's so
dessert
pretty, guys.
combo. Your coffee, you
The
know,
coffee and ice cream together. It's really good.
I think so. Well, at least I think it's gonna taste good. What do you think?
Yep.
You
Let's
ready to
see.
try
Let's
this?
Yeah, let's try this.
Okay.
Coffee ice cream, good combination.
It's pretty good. Pretty good. Of course, it's gonna be good, right?
It's a win.
This is a win-win-win-win-win.
Yes. If you like this video, you can like this video.
This video up here.
See you in the next one.
See you in the next one.